In the mail this morning, I received my Minimal phone. So this is actually, I've already opened it, but this is the box. Came in a pretty nondescript box here from DHL. And in the box, I didn't receive a case, which I thought I was supposed to get as an early back or whatever. That's fine. Quick start guide, which I have not looked at. USB-C cable, USB-C brick, SIM card tool. And this is the actual phone. You can see on the right-hand side, this is the volume button slash fingerprint reader, although I could not get the fingerprint reader to work. This little chiclet style keyboard down here. Don't know if you can hear that. Two capacitive buttons here. The volume rocker, this middle button is an e-ink refresh button. And top is SIM card tray. One thing I was curious about was the typing speed, because from the very minimal demos that they showed, it was kind of hard to tell the typing speed. So let me just erase all that. I'll do, hello, my name is Josh, and this is the Minimal phone. Yeah, so you can see that wasn't super accurate. I needed the caret character, which is not in this keyboard, at least I didn't see it. Looking again, I don't see it. So if you need to access some like random kind of characters, you have to go in there. Camera actually fairly responsive. You can see that. And let's actually flip this around. You can see me with my little janky stand here and some tissues to get the phone propped up. Actually take a picture. Oh, I blocked the camera. And I'll put those on and we'll see what they look like. Let's get to e-ink controls. Maybe that could be something interesting. Okay, so we have some temperature settings, make it a little more warm looking. Okay, so let's try it on fast mode now. Maybe another typing test. Another typing. Oops. Test. Yeah, it's a little finicky. And let's see. Yeah, at the Play Store, I was able to download Spotify. So actually, let's open an app that, yep, I haven't logged in yet. It's obviously not what this phone is for, but let's go to the best website on the internet. And yeah, totally readable. Well, I say that and then this bit here. Let me refresh. Okay. A little hard to read. And yeah, that's, I don't know anything about this article, but yeah, super readable, nice. I think overall it's safe to say the Minimal team delivered on its promise to ship this phone. And yeah, hope this was helpful. Bye. Yeah, it keeps doing this for some reason. To clear it, you just hit this button on the side.